and welcome to the Mind to Be Kind Commitments and Learning Managers Weekly Assembly. The Mind to Be Kind focus this week is on resilience. During the first lockdown in March, there were some amazing stories of Beacon Hill learners demonstrating great resilience. Sir Tom Moore proved an excellent role model. A reminder of what resilience is. It's the ability to bounce back from stress and pressure. This period of lockdown is bound to throw up more challenges, and it's important we are honest with ourselves and our levels of resilience. Understand our own levels of resilience. On the screen is a short survey you can do today. The scoring system is really simple and is on the right hand side of the screen at the moment in the Wellbeing alert. So all you need to do is have a pen and a piece of paper and complete the questionnaire. You'll need to pause the screen now whilst you have a go. On the next slide, you can find out what your scores mean. So, once you have totaled up your scores, here's what they mean. If this score shows you your resilience needs improving, you can take control. Some ideas are on the right hand side of the screen at the moment in the Wellbeing alert. By visualising your success, this can help put you in a confident frame of mind. Sport stars do this by seeing their next game or match in their head and visualising themselves winning. You can do this in all aspects of life. By boosting your own self-esteem, this could also help improve your confidence. You can do this by taking on a new exercise challenge, a little like Sir Thomas Moore did in the summer. This will help you become more optimistic and think positively. Your family and friends are great people to ask for help in all circumstances. But remember, you always have your teachers and learning managers during this lockdown phase. Learning new skills is a great way to boost your resilience. Your new commitments challenge or your next live lesson could be a great place to start. Finally, be yourself. Trying to please lots of people by acting differently can be tiring and difficult to keep up. Be true to you and you won't go far wrong. And finally, a reminder, don't forget, if you don't feel like talking to somebody you know, please visit Kooth.com to speak to somebody specially trained, free and online.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Commitment Lockdown Challenge number 2. This week's challenge is Ready, Steady, Cook. So what we'd like you to do is just have a go at learning a new recipe, to cook something new and enjoyable. This will also allow you to tick off one of your learning that inspires commitment strands once again whilst doing this. And again, email any entries that you have to challenge@beaconhillacademy.org.uk. And if you have a little look on the hyperlinks there on the slide, you can click on these links and they will take you to some fantastic recipes that you can have a little go at cooking. So all the best, and I look forward to seeing some of those fantastic dishes that you produce.
Hello Year 7, it's Mrs Paul here. I hope you all well and keeping safe at home. Today I wanted to share the positives of online learning. Firstly, you all have easy access to your online learning. You can all work from the comfort of your own home and you don't need to wear your school uniform. You can work at your own pace with the pre-recorded lessons, and you have the flexibility to stop and take a break when needed and go back to your work. Every day, all of you are picking up and enhancing your computer skills, skills which will be beneficial for you in the future. So year 7, carry on working really hard and keep safe, and I'll speak to you soon.